This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Tuesday, April 26th. I'm Olivia Mudd. It was a quiet Friday on the sports front with no scheduled activities. However, in Monday's action, the boys and girls soccer teams defeated Booker T. In tennis, the boys won, but the girls fell to Hickory. Now here's Devin Donis in the control room with details about today's upcoming events.
Thanks, Olivia. Today, two Commodore teams will be in action. The varsity baseball team plays Kempsville here at Maury. Game time is 4 p.m. Meanwhile, the softball team travels to Indian River for a game against the Braves. That game is also scheduled for 4 p.m. On Wednesday, the boys and girls tennis teams play Kempsville. The boys play here at Maury while the girls travel to Indian River. Also on Wednesday, the JV baseball team travels to Hickory for a game with the Hawks. Game time is 4 p.m. Finally, we have the one you've been waiting for. On Thursday, the Maury baseball team takes on the Granby Comets at Harbor Park. Game time is 4 o'clock, and it's one you don't want to miss. Back to you, Olivia.
Thanks, Devin. Now here's your Commodore Community Calendar for Tuesday, April 26th. That's all for this Commodore News Update. I'm Olivia Mudd. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.